What is up, Facebook in Central Pennsylvania? This is Thomas with Precision Exterior Wash. We're on site in Mechanicsburg today doing what I like to call the perfect trio. It is a house wash, gutter cleaning, and window cleaning. And I love whenever we get to do all three of these to the same house, because it just really adds so much to the house. It makes it look better, and also it's good preventative maintenance for your house. So let me just turn around real quick here. You can see with those trees right there that those gutters definitely get a lot of leaves in them. Check out that cool sign, by the way, courtesy of Fast Signs in Mechanicsburg. So why getting all three of those done to your home is important. House washing, obviously, get the mildew off your house, get the pollen off your house, make it look a lot better. That's important, makes it look good. Gutter cleaning, super important. A lot of people overlook it. A lot of people forget about their gutters. But what I'm here to tell you is, if you let debris build up in your gutters, that's added weight in your gutters. Also, it clogs up your gutters, so then you add extra water in your gutters. That adds even more weight to your gutters. All that weight in your gutters ends up pulling them away from your house slowly over time, and then eventually coming down. So it is good to get your gutters cleaned out every year. So like I said, while we're here washing your house, we'd be happy to hit your gutters too. And then the last thing, a window wash. I mean, who doesn't like looking through crystal clear windows? So yeah, so like I said, house wash, gutter cleaning, window cleaning. The perfect trio, just make your property pop, make it look great, and keep it protected. So I'm gonna hop off of here, get back to work. If you guys need anything, a quote on house washing, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, concrete cleaning and sealing, paver patio restoration, I'd be happy to talk to you. You can give me a call, send me a text, 717-370-1365. Send me an email, precisionexteriorwash@gmail.com, or send us a Facebook message. All right, I'm gonna get off of here. You guys have a great day.